Hi you guys, guess what? Back to our channel, guess what? The package just outside it.
A package arrived?
Yeah, and guess what happened?
What?
Now there's a knock. What's up?
She heard a knock knock. What do we have? What's outside? A package?
Yeah.
Should we open the door and see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open this up already.
What is it?
Play-Doh. You guys, we can make anything we want.
Play-Doh kitchen?
Ooh, you guys, I have popsicle thing for it. And
Wow.
we can make popsicles.
Whoa. What's on the front of it? Show me. Show me what's on the other side. What
Play-Doh.
is?
That's Play-Doh.
Wow. What kind of things are we going to be making?
I think we can make those things.
What are those?
You know it.
Cake?
Yeah, and candy.
Cake and candy?
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do. Should we do that, you guys? I hit the mouth.
Do you think we should do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you guys, look, you can get any Play-Doh you want. Okay,
Should we open it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty, Mommy.
We'll be right back. So we have got all of this cool Play-Doh.
I'm gonna open
And we're going to make some sweet treats. Who's ready to make sweet treats?
Me. Guess what, you guys?
Okay, we've got, let's show everyone what we got. We've got stuff to make pies. We've got recipe cards.
I got my popsicle.
We've got our
Popsicle?
treat tray where we're going to put all of our treats.
Yeah, we're going.
We've got a whipped cream maker. Cool different trays. Yeah, where we can make cookies.
No, Mom, we can't make cookies. We need to put everything where light sit there.
Okay. We can make different little cakes.
Or we can make popsicles.
More cookies. And then these over here make, let's see here, like that's a little bundt pan. A little, kind of like a little cake. And then this one kind of looks like a little pie.
No, you guys. It's a cake pie.
Oh, a cake pie. Okay.
And this one's a macaroni pie.
Macaroni pie?
Yeah, I know it.
Okay, who's ready to make some sweet treats?
Oh my God. This is all dry up and milk. I go. And today we want to bake.
So today's the next day and we made all of our Play-Doh treats. Yummy, yummy treats. And today, what are we going to do with our treats?
Today, my mom has a special drink.
Why is that? Are we having a tea party?
A special one.
A special tea party?
Yeah.
What friends have you brought with us today?
I have a little boy. His name is Pine. His name is Pancake. This one's Little Mermaid, and this one's Donna.
Ooh, are they going to have tea with you today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is who's by me. It's these guys. These guys are just by me. And look what they got me.
They got that for you?
Yeah, and look. It's a baby on it.
Oh, that's cute.
Well, guess what? Anna and Ariel brought a little cutie doll. Okay, I'm ready. Where's the special drink?
Who would like to have their first drink of tea?
Me.
Let's see here. We've got our teapot here.
And also, my mom's gonna get that.
Oh, it's brewing.
Let's have a tea party. Press my heart button to make a fresh pot of tea.
I guess so, you guys.
Let's boil
Mom,
the water.
This one's mine first. This is a drink. You guys, I can't wait to taste it. Now I get to taste it. This is a drink.
How's your tea?
Tea's so good. Good.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
What flavor tea do you have today?
Apple.
Apple tea.
A split apple. Alligator and Addie and me. That's me.
Wow.
No, not for y'all. It's B. No, that's for you. B for real. A for Avery. Mama.
We should be polite and ask.
Oh no, you guys! This. Oh, she wants to take a drink of mine, and this one and this one.
Oh, but would your friends like their own cups?
Oh, like that one. Yeah, get
What
them.
kind of tea would Pancake like?
Pancake?
Does Pancake want some milk?
Yeah. And Ariel wants.
Here's some
Some.
milk,
And it-
Pancake. What about
Yeah.
Ariel? Does she want a soda or a
She wants a
coffee? A soda?
Yeah.
Ooh, here you go. Here's the soda pop, Ariel. Anna, what would Anna like? A coffee?
Yeah, she would like a coffee.
A coffee, okay.
No, oh, they like a snack.
They want a snack too?
Ooh, I have delicious French fries.
Ooh, yummy French fries.
I have a lot of French fries. Just put them in there. Drink it. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom
Who
nom nom
would
nom.
like a delicious slice of cake?
Ooh,
Who would like it
Who wants this?
What is that?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Who do you think out of your 3 friends wants bubble gum? All of them?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, they want this one.
What are those?
Those ones are pancakes.
Little
Yum,
pancakes?
yum, yum,
They look like
yum.
little cupcakes.
They are.
Incredible.
I think I'm taking this to my party.
Would your friends like any more treats from our treat tray?
I have an idea.
I think Ariel needs this one.
No, that doesn't match her shirt. Look.
Oh, it doesn't match her? Is that another Anna one? Ariel needs a pink treat, doesn't she?
Oh, I have a pink grate. Mommy, it doesn't match her either.
Oh no.
Mommy.
What about this one?
No.
Oh, that's a good one.
Right here?
Yeah.
She ate it.
Did she like it?
Yeah, she does. Oh my gosh.
Pancake keeps falling.
That's good.
Bro, what are
Maybe
you
I
making?
kiss her today. I'm a good boy.
You are?
Yeah, let me speak. Hey, I have a little present for them. Here you guys go. I just got you all of these things. I have one more present for Ariel.
What is that?
Remember it? Bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
This buggy up.
Well, wait, Pancake didn't get any treats.
And what happened? No, he got a marker with that.
Oh, that's so nice.
Ooh, do you like it too? Oh no, pancake. 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 Here you go. And Mama, you've been on me. Are you baby? Hi, baby. I need juice.
Yes,
It
please.
sounds like Anna's done with her cheese.
Oh, she's done.
I'm just kidding. It's still hot, you guys.
Is it good?
You guys, it's hot. That was not cold. You guys, it's not cold. So cool. Hot. Okay, you guys. Guess what I'm eating? Give me water. You guys. Subscribe to our channels. Okay, guys, let's keep playing. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. so it's not funny. Hey guys, give me a big thumbs up. Give me a big thumbs up. I'm gonna get a cake. Do you guys want to see this? I do want some of this. Do you like it? They taste it. Do you like it?
That looks delicious.